course I read it. In fact, I read it overnight. I just stayed up all night just reading the book.
What she said, give a standing ovation to Mr. Issac Lawrence.
I'm Dr. Issac Lawrence, and I am here at the Issac Lawrence Jr.'s book launch of Big Steps. What an incredible book, and it was phenomenal. The examples he used were great. The book really speaks to young people and where they are with making decisions about their life and you know, whether they're trying to go to college or they're going straight into the workforce or into the military. It really speaks to them. So I think it is an excellent read. I met him. He is definitely a young man that you need to stay connected to. He's positive, he's outgoing, but he has real strategies. He's not just a talking head. He has real strategies to help young people, to help parents, and to help those who work with young people navigate, you know, help them navigate to the right path for them. So this has been a wonderful experience, and I'm so glad to be here.
Well, this event unlocked just a plethora of information that we really got to figure out how to take from information to application. I think God is going to do some great things through Big Steps. I'm ready. Big steps for myself.
As being somebody who works in the higher education world, this book is huge. When students don't know what they want to do when it comes to post-high school or even later post-college, I mean, looking at all the different options, all the different resources, I think this is one of the greatest things in the world. And honestly, like, once it gets in the hands of more high school students, more public schools, private schools, churches, whatever it may be, like, I think this is something that really should have been done 30 years ago. And Issac filled the slot, so can't wait to see what's going to happen with it.
Man, awesome event. So many people showed up. Great turnout. I'm overwhelmed by all the support. Just grateful to be at this place. You know, 2 years ago, didn't know that I'd be an author, but here I am. And the book is out. I think it's going to be a great resource for so many people. And just looking forward to what God is going to do with it and how far it goes. So.